into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this stunning and portable replica studio for under $30. To start, I found 2 white poster boards at Dollar General for just $2 each, a portable tray at Walmart for just $10, and I found this marble white transfer paper at Walmart for $6.99. You can also find marble white transfer paper at the Dollar Tree for $1 as well. And at the end of my video, I'll show you all the cute decorations I found at Dollar General to add to my studio. To start, I'm going to place my cutting board on the table because I'm going to be using a box cutter to cut my poster board in half. And then I found a household item to use as a ruler since I didn't have a ruler on hand, so I'm able to cut my poster board in half in a straight line. Here I'm just using my hand to smooth over all the extra foam pieces that are hanging off the edges. Now I'm going to be using my second piece of foam board so I can cut it in half. I'm going to be creating 2 walls on the side and 1 on the bottom. Now take your scissors to cut along the edges. The nice thing about contact paper is there's already lines, so you can just cut in a straight line. Now flip your contact paper over your foam board. Whenever you use contact paper, this tool makes everything so much easier. I always start at the edge and I slowly pull my paper to the back, placing my hand underneath the contact paper, smoothing everything out as I go. You definitely want to use a tool like this or something kind of like it. It definitely helps by preventing any bubbles that might show up. And if you don't have this tool, you can also use a credit card or any kind of card. The downside about working with contact paper is sometimes it gets super sticky. And sometimes if you make one slight mistake, it's not so very forgiving. If you notice any cute little animals in the background, they are my sisters, and I think they wanted to join me. I like to place my contact paper over the edges because it just gives it more of a realistic effect. You want to cover up the jagged edges just so it looks nicer. Contact paper likes to roll up a lot, but you can prevent that by placing something over the top. Now that I have my sidewall and my bottom piece, I'm going to create another sidewall along the width of my bottom piece. What you see me doing here is where I will cut my foam board in half. This piece of foam board, I'm just going to keep it white, and I will show you guys why later in the video. Now I will be drawing my line so that way I know where I'm supposed to cut. Finally, it's time to start gluing all of your pieces together using a hot glue gun. I added my hot glue along the edge of the bottom piece of the foam board, and I'm going to be gluing it together with the back wall. And when you're working with hot glue, make sure you work fast. Otherwise, it tends to dry up pretty quickly. I'll be using this tray so I can put my studio on it. That way I'm able to easily transport it anywhere in my home. Now that our studio replica is complete, I will be placing all of our studio props so I can begin taking some photos of our products. I found my mini tree slab from Walmart for $5, and I will also be adding in some household decor that I already had. Now I'm adding in our product. This is our blueberry candle. It looks so nice with the wooden lid and all the warm decor. It's always a good idea to place your replica in front of a big picture window wherever the sun is. The sun will naturally bounce off the white wall and light up your image, making it so pretty. For me, I think that natural light always looks the best. When you set up your product photos, there's always lots of adjustments to do. Eventually, you will find what looks best. And if you don't like the way something looks, you can always move it. My sister using her Canon DSLR camera. Here's a short clip of what it looks like on my phone. And there you guys have it, a portable replica studio. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, please subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to see more videos from us like this, please give us a thumbs up.